We guide you through how to fix low iPhone speaker sound. First, press the volume up button and make sure the volume is at maximum. Then, check if the silent mode is off. Next, open Settings, Sounds and Haptics, and drag the ringer and alert slider to increase volume. If it's still quiet, clean the speaker holes using soft brush or dry cotton swab to remove the dust. Then, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and turn it off in case your audio is connected to another device. Also, open your settings, the accessibility, audio and visual, and make sure balance is centered. And the last thing you do is to restart your iPhone or update to the latest iOS. If the speaker is still low, it may need service.